Hey guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. So today we're going to cover a topic that I had thought we had already covered, but my wife graciously told me no, I'm an idiot, that I've misplaced the stuff to do the video like 4 different times. So today we're gonna fix that. Alright, everybody knows the ramen noodles. Alright, now East Coast, this is the staple of hiking. But if you talk to a lot of the West Coast hikers, or like CDT hikers, there's another superfood that's actually way better than this as far as weight, as far as calories, and it kind of is way better. And that's couscous. Alright? When I tell you it's better, I don't mean in just one or two ways. I mean completely better as ramen. Alright, because anything you can mix with ramen, you can mix with couscous. In every way, shape, or form. I'm talking weight, I'm talking packability, I'm talking calories, carbs, proteins. Now, there is a debate on the fats, and we'll get into that later. But I wanted to bring this to your attention because this is actually something we use. You guys just don't see it a lot of times because it's not real exciting. So at times we open it up at camp, or times we cold soak it. It's not something we really show because there's nothing special about it. At least we didn't think there was. But I'm finding out that a lot of people don't know about it or don't use it, and that's kind of amazing to me. So I picked up 2 different flavors. We have roasted garlic and olive oil, and the Parmesan. There's an original. There's a bunch of flavors out there. You can get it all over. Now, before we go any further, I want to give you a warning, because you can buy it in bulk in big containers like this, and it's real cheap. Real cheap. I think these were about $1, I think. $1.50 maybe. This was real cheap, but the problem is, this is the pearls. Do not buy the pearls. The pearls do not break down well. They need to actually be cooked in a pot. We use these around the house. If by some reason you accidentally do get these, eat them at your house, don't take them with you. Or if you have to, run them through a coffee grinder and then take them out on the trail. Or a blender or something to break them up into powder. And then they'll work better. But this is something that actually needs cooked in a pot. You don't want the pearls. Do not get the pearls. That said, let's get back to the couscous mixes here. Now, these boxes are nice to just grab and go. Alright, but you need to understand there's a flavor packet in there, but that box is only filled that much. Okay? So it actually has less in the box than the pack of ramen. So we've beat it in packability. Now this says there's 2 servings in here. This says there's 3 in here. So you got to do that when you're figuring out the nutritional value. You got to add that in. So first thing we're going to do is I want to open it up and show you what you get. You get a flavor packet in this one. Now in the original you won't have that. Probably going to end up spilling this showing it to you, but you see that? That's what it looks like. You can put that and your flavor packet in your jar. And in your jar, you're basically just going to have to put some water in there. Now, if you've just filled up water and you got some older water, use the more room temperature water and it'll work better. Really cold water will slow the process of this all rehydrating. But I guarantee if you throw this stuff into a peanut butter jar or whatever you're going to put it in, and throw it back in your pack and go hike for another 30 minutes, that's going to be ready and it's going to be good. You can also heat your water up and throw it in. It'll cook like that, literally. I mean, it's amazing how fast it'll cook. Now, here's where the deal breaker comes for me versus the ramen. Alright? And I had to write this down because me remembering numbers is a pain. So, in the head-to-head shootout with the couscous versus the ramen, okay? This has 690 calories for this box, which is 5.4 ounces. Alright? And your ramen weighs 3.4 ounces in this one, I believe. Yeah. So, essentially there's 3 servings in this and 2 in this. So, on a weight factor, you're going to come out about the same. But even doing that, I'm just going to do a head-to-head because they both take up the same amount of space. And an ounce, I mean, unless you're major gram weenie, an ounce, when you hear these numbers, you're going to understand the offset of that ounce here. So, 690 calories for the couscous, for this box, which is actually smaller than this. This has 380. 690 versus 380 calories. Now let's go carbs, because carbs are important when you're out on the trail. Not so much when my big butt's at home. I need to stay away from carbs. 126 carbs in this box. 54 carbs in this. 126, 54. Alright? Protein. I don't care what anyone says. Protein is the most important thing on the trail, because that's your muscle recovery. If you can't get up the next day and hike, what was it worth eating what you ate? So, 8 grams of protein. 21 in the couscous. 21 grams of protein in the couscous, 8 grams in the ramen. Alright, this is a no-brainer. This is a power food compared to this. Alright, you can split the numbers and say, well, take an 8 ounce out of that. I'll take a whole third of this, because this box is 3 servings. I'll take a whole third of this and I'll still have way higher numbers than the ramen. Alright, so I'm kicking myself because literally we've bought the stuff to make this video 3 different times. And I end up taking it on the trail and eating it, thinking I've recorded the video for some reason, and I never do. So, wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. If you're going to play the cost game, this is cheaper. Alright, this is actually cheaper. But if I buy this, they're about the same cost-wise. Alright, Walmart has them in this style and in big this style. Kroger's has them. You know, you even find it at Dollar Trees. These actually came right here from Aldi's. That's right, Aldi's. There's Aldi's all over now. So, now that I opened it, guess who gets to eat the Parmesan couscous? That would be me. And it's all your guys' fault. So, I appreciate you guys sitting through this video. Just wanted to bring it to your attention because I have literally bought the stuff to make this video so many times, and I really honestly thought I did make it, and I just kept buying this stuff. My wife says, how many times are you going to buy this stuff before you make the video? I said, what do you mean? I already made the video. And she said, no, you didn't. And sure enough, I went through all our videos, which there's over 200 of them, so it takes a minute. I can't remember everything. And she was right. So now I can say I made the video and it's out there. I still love my ramen, but couscous whoops its butt. I'm sorry. And it tastes good too, especially some of these flavors. I've had that roasted garlic before. That's awesome. But we're going to come back and show you some recipes we've made up on our own, incorporating some of our dehydrated foods with the couscous. And you're going to be amazed. It's some good stuff. So, I'm Tony with Our World Outdoors, and we'll see you in the next one.